Portents and features of the Mahdi's coming. Introduction. The hadiths of our Prophet, s.a.w. provide very detailed information and signs about the end times, which will occur short while before doomsday. According to these reports, several high significant events will take place one after the other during this period. In the first stage of the end times, terrible corruption and chaos will rule. In the second stage, these will be replaced by peace and security as people come to live by true religious moral values. Our Prophet, s.a.w. impart the glad tidings regarding the Mahdi, who will be sent during the end times. For example, this great individual will liberate Muslims from cruelty and suffering, eliminate corruption, and usher in an era of peace, justice, plenty, happiness, and well-being. According to reliable hadith, he will return Islam, which has been distorted via superstitions and practices, to its true essence, meet with Prophet Isa, and, by Allah's will enable Islam's moral values to prevail on earth. These great tidings enhance all believers' enthusiasm and excitement. Many of the prophetic hadiths and scholarly manuscripts that have come down to us have transmitted the joy and enthusiasm of those tidings and have kept the subject alive and of interest among believers. The portents that we are seeing in our own time show us that the Mahdi's coming is close at hand. Indeed, the current climate of chaos, oppression, terror, and war, as well as the strife, famines, and earthquakes, are all portents of this great event. This small video consists of two parts: the portents of the Mahdi's coming, and the Mahdi's features. There can be no doubt that all new information learned regarding this subject will enhance the Muslims' excitement.